So hello everyone, welcome back to the another episode of the Android Project Idea Learning Series. So in this video we are going to learn about the Expense AI AI enabled cost tracking application. So let's get started. So introducing an Expense AI, an innovative cost tracking application empowered by the artificial intelligence to streamline expense management, generate the insightful report and optimize the financial decision making. And with the integration of AI technology, ExpenseAI offers the users to advanced capability to efficiently track and analyze the manage the business expenses. So in this problem, we are going to solve this issue. So what is the problem here? So managing business expenses can be a complex and a time-consuming task, often requiring a manual data entry, analysis, and reports without effective solution. So businesses may struggle to track their expenses accurately and identify the spending pattern and make informed with the financial decision. So in this problem, there is a lot of problem facing by the businesses. Like it is very time-consuming task to manage their expenses. Like how what is the expenses done by the company. It can be entered manually, data entry analysis by the manual data entry analysis and reporting without any effective solution. So what is the solution we are going to provide here? We are going to create an expense AI application which address these challenges by leveraging the AI algorithm and automate the expense tracking, categorization, and analysis. By harnessing the AI-driven data processing and analysis, ExpenseAI provides user to actionable insight and real-time reporting and personalization recommendation for optimizing the spendings and maximizing the financial efficiency. So there we are using the AI model for and train it according to our need, and we are going to manage all the expenses according to the AI model. And after that, we also need some manual tweaking as well for verifying the data we are going to get from the AI model. And after that, we are using a good UI interface for the application so that the user can be easy to use. So, so if you wanted to continue with this expense tracking idea, we can also create an application for it. And if you have any other ideas, so you can just drop a mail to contact@codersarts.com. We are always here to help you. So thank you everyone.